Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to become a Temu affiliate and earn commissions without owning a website in 2025. So step 1, sign in for the Temu affiliate program and access your affiliate dashboard. Step 2, copy your unique affiliate links for Temu products. Step 3, join Facebook groups, Reddit communities, or messaging apps to share your links. Step 4, create content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts featuring Temu products. Step 5, use Linktree, LinkedIn.bio, or Instagram bio to add your affiliate link without a personal site. Step 6, track clicks and conversions in the affiliate dashboard and repeat with best performing products. You can earn commissions by promoting Temu even without a website. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.